On this episode, we visit the 7th Georgia natural wonder, Okefenokee Swamp Park, and meet some new alligator friends, right here on Georgia Eat, Explore, and More.
And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we upload a new video. Alright guys, we are at Okefenokee Swamp in Waycross, Georgia. This is the last wonder of Georgia that we have to complete our playlist of the 7 natural wonders of Georgia.
This place is known for their alligators, insects, and its general swampiness. So we're very excited to finally go here and see the boat tour, the train tour, everything that Okefenokee has to offer.
Hopefully we don't see Shrek.
Yeah, that's a good one. Have you guys seen the movie Godzilla? Yeah, that's the vibe I'm getting right now with these alligators. They're so huge. That is crazy. Other than the Flint River Aquarium, maybe the Atlanta Zoo, I've never seen alligators up close. This is so cool.
Oh, he's moving.
Oh, he's moving right now. Let's look, let's look, let's look. Oh man, we missed it. They moved a little bit. They're napping right now. That's so cool. That is so cool.
It is so cool because like they almost seem as they're not like real. It looks like a stone figure, like they're that still and they're just chilling.
Right?
It's crazy.
Ooh, boy, that's a big old bug. Nasty. So that alligator we just showed you is actually not in the cage. We are actually in an alligator zone in the park. So
you gotta be careful out here.
Yeah, and they look hungry or sleepy. Yeah. They look like us, hungry and sleepy. It's like playing a game of I Spy with the gators out here. They're like, all over the swamp.
Yeah, we didn't even see this when somebody pointed it out
right.
To us.
reason they're called box turtles is because they're one of the few turtle species that can completely close up in their shell. They basically will box themselves in their shell for protection, hence the name box turtle.
Hello, Max.
His name is Brownie. Now, both these snakes are non-venomous. Rat snakes do not have fangs because they don't inject venom. Now, the name alligator comes from the Spanish El Gator, because when the Spanish arrived here in the Americas, they saw the alligators, and they called them El Gator, which is Spanish for lizard. Because to the Spanish, these guys look like big lizards, the turtles. Okay.
Here we go.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
That one's too fast.
It's like me first.
Hey! That one is welcome! Let's swim it.
That was intense. Alright guys, that was Okefenokee Swamp Park. Really fun park.
Yeah.
The boat ride, the train ride, the shows. Really awesome place. Seems like it's a family owned place. Family of people who've been here for a really long time. Yeah. And this is just a fraction of the Okefenokee Swamp, this little park here. So come out here, enjoy time, with your family. Great history, great area. You're gonna love it. We'll see you guys back at home.
Bye. Alright guys, that was Okefenokee Swamp in Waycross, Georgia. We had so much fun, even though, it seems like a little, small park, but it was, the boat tour was super fun, the train ride was fun, and you got to learn the history and see a couple little museums. It was just a lot of fun seeing all the alligators. We actually got to watch them be fed, which they do every Saturday.
Very fun place. We highly recommend you go there before it gets too cold. And again, this is a small park, just a tiny fraction of the 483 plus acres of Okefenokee Swamp. You get a nice history lesson, you get a nice lesson on nature and general swamp life. So yep, you guys are awesome. Check out our merch store at eatexploreandmore.com/merch. We have shirts, canvases, different things like that, and we'll be adding on to that store more and more lately. If you have any places you want to suggest to us, please hit us up on our social media accounts. They're in the description or in the About Us section for our YouTube channel. And if you want to support us, you can either do that by either donating to our PayPal or becoming a Patreon member, and you can do that for as little as $1 a month, and you get perks like a shout out in a video like this. So you guys are awesome. We hope to see you next time.
Bye. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.